Welcome to the ultimate developer toolkit built directly inside Salesforce Lightning. Say goodbye to juggling multiple slow extensions and clunky menus. Meet Salesforce Comet. With a single keystroke, you unlock a modern, ultra-fast designed to supercharge your Salesforce development and tour of everything Comet has to offer. Comet integrates seamlessly into your Lightning header, giving you instant access to our quick action icons. First up, the API name toggle. Click the eye icon and watch as field labels across any record page instantly transform into their backend API names. No more digging through the object manager. Next, the Lightning Component Scanner. Click the bolt icon. Comet highlights every custom Lightning web component on the page with a clean orange badge showing the exact bundle name. When you click on the LWC bundle name, it launches the Comet Code Editor, where you can edit or view Lightning component code. Wondering if a page is using screen flows or subflows? Click the flow icon to expose them instantly with blue badges. And thanks to smart Z-index layering, these badges stay neatly tucked under your navigation menus, keeping your workspace clean. Moving on to the Record Inspector. This is your Show All Data command center. With one click, you can inspect every single field on the active record, including hidden IDs, formulas, and system fields that aren't on your page layout. Need to make a quick update? Use live inline editing. Modify fields directly in the inspector. Notice the vibrant emerald highlight? That's our diff checker letting you easily spot your modified fields before you hit save, all without reloading the page. You can also inspect parent references, view child objects, and even clone complex records with dependent data in seconds. Struggling to debug complex Salesforce flows or catch governor limit traps before production? Meet Salesforce Comet's Flow Scanner. With a single click, Flow Scanner scans your active page and immediately flags embedded screen flows and subflows with live interactive overlays. Comet's deep scanner engine analyzes flow structure to catch SOQL queries inside loops, missing fault paths, and hard-coded IDs before they break your org. Writing queries just got a massive upgrade with our context-aware SOQL Query Studio. When you open the studio, Comet auto-detects your page context. Whether you're on a record page, a list view, or a related list, Comet instantly generates optimized SOQL for you. And because it's powered by the Monaco editor, you get real-time autocomplete for S objects, fields, and SOQL keywords. Running multiple investigations? Use the multi-tab layout to run queries side by side. You can easily toggle Query All to find archived records, or switch to the Tooling API to query metadata like Apex classes and flows. When you're done, export your results to CSV or download a genuine multi-tab Excel file with all your queries perfectly organized. What if you need to write code but don't want to spin up a local SFDX workspace? Comet brings the full VS Code experience directly into your browser. But it doesn't stop there. You can directly edit Lib components, Apex classes, triggers, and Visualforce pages on the fly. And for modern UI development, we've included a one-click SOQL to GraphQL converter, and that automatically maps your fields for you, making it effortless to transition legacy queries into modern Lightning data service formats. Debugging Salesforce can be a headache, but Comet's log viewer makes it painless. Slide open the trace drawer to easily set debug flags for any user without leaving your page. Once active, our real-time log streamer takes over. Logs are automatically color-coded, so you can spot errors, warnings, and user debugs instantly. Need to go deeper? Comet analyzes incoming logs to build a visual SOQL board. Instantly detect governor limit usage, SOQL execution bottlenecks, and CPU time drains before they break your org. To keep your org healthy, Comet includes a real-time org limits monitor. Track daily API requests, streaming limits, data storage, and async Apex executions at a glance. Working with integrations? The Live Event Monitor streams platform events and change data capture events as they happen. Finally, a small but mighty feature. Custom favicon indicators. Assign unique colors per org, like red for production and blue for sandbox, so you never make a change in the wrong environment again. Salesforce Comet is more than just an extension. It's a complete development suite that brings metadata editing, log analysis, and rec into one lightning-fast interface. Stop letting clunky tools slow you down. Level up your Salesforce productivity today. Download Salesforce Comet from the Chrome Web Store and experience the future of Salesforce development.